We hunted elk in a new unit this year, so we headed out pretty early this past summer to start scouting and just figure out where animals were. And this day ended up turning into one of the best mushroom foraging days ever. After about an hour of hiking, we found a ton of porcini mushrooms, and they had just popped up out of the ground, so they were super fresh. They didn't have any bugs in them yet, and they were just perfect. It was really exciting. I also found some wild garlic, which I don't find often. We saw a gigantic moose, which was really cool. I found a little shed, and then of course at the end of the day had to get some fishing in, and I made a mushroom risotto with the porcini mushrooms we found.